Okay, so here's the video. Uh, this test was not the full test, not the complete test. So we didn't have listening and reading comprehension. But vocabulary, grammar, communication, and writing are always there. So my comment on this first exercise. Yeah, this vocabulary is related to storytelling or explaining things, solving mysteries. So basically, here we have verbs. Well, to solve this exercise, the first thing is to analyze each sentence. We had to go over the sentences first, and then we try to match the meaning of the verb with the letters we have up here. For example, number 3, if you go to college, going to college, what do we do when we go to college? We study, we take exams, we do readings, homework, etc. So if you go to college, you can, your favorite subject. Okay, going to college. This is the moment when you study what you actually like, or what you are into. So yeah, study would be a nice choice, or learn, it's a nice choice. So here we have these letters Y, T, U, S, D. So if you put them in order, you have the verb study. So then you have to eliminate study. Then let me see what I did later. Speaking of mystery, we solve mysteries, and solve is a verb that I could grasp from these letters here, O-V-E-S-L. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of out of focus here, but yeah. So solve. It's like putting together pieces of puzzles. So I understand that this exercise was not an easy one. And I am sorry that not everybody got this exercise, because once you make the wrong choice, you get all the rest wrong. So it's very easy to make huge mistakes here. Grammar. Basically, everybody did well. I'm glad I could understand. I got that you understood the topic. This grammar aspect, which is models for probabilities, possibilities. So yes, when we have more evidence, we choose must. Less evidence, we choose might. When something is improbable, we use can't. So yeah, pretty much you guys did well here. Number 3, also perfect. 4, I don't remember who, but somebody forgot to build model perfect or perfect models. So you needed 3 verbs here, and I think the majority here got okay with this exercise number 4. Number 5. The item number 4 here, I can play the piano a little bit. Yeah, it's important to remember we use the when we say playing an instrument. So when you play the drums, when you play the violin, when you play the flute, we always say the. Okay, I can play the piano a little bit. So I think number 4 was the one that you guys made a few mistakes. Exercise number 6. We have a full story of a person who lost, or he thinks he lost his wallet. So yeah, it's like putting together pieces of puzzles here. So if you get one wrong, you already get two wrong. If you get a second wrong, you make 4 mistakes. So it's quite easy not to get the 8 points total here, okay, guys? But this is the correct way. Number 1, I must have lost it. 2, where do you think you lost it? 3, do you think you might have left it on the bus? And so on and so on. Okay, composition. This third question, what happened to the driver of the car? This is the question that you should have answered with perfect model. O que pode ter acontecido com o motorista do carro? So guys, I liked your ideas, your ways to solve, or the possible answer for this mystery. But one thing that a number 1 problem, you should have used a perfect model at least once. And number 2, this situation here is regarding the past. So when we start building sentences in the past, all the verbs must be in the past. And some of you did not use the past tense of the verbs. And 2 students use the verb to feel for smell, like smell of honey, smell of meat. The verb is to smell. So you can use the past. So the bear smelt honey. The lion smelt meat. Or felt meat. Felt the smell. Felt the scent. I don't know. It's just strange. You can use the verb itself. The verb is to smell. We smell smells. It's funny, right? And interesting fact. When we're talking about animals, for example, leopards or a lion or bear, any animal, we refer to these animals with the pronoun it. Never use he or she for wild animals or animals that we don't know. We only use he or she for pets. For example, I have a cat. Her name is Candy. So Candy is cute. She is my number 1 pet. So she is a pet. But when we mention about, any ordinary animal, we refer to them as it. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye.